Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Inside you'll find backup camera, rear view camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.